get much more of an autumn scene than that though.
See ya!
We'll try and avoid that, I think, guys. Don't want to be going in that mud. Well, hi everybody. I hope you're all well. Me and wife are currently out again in North Wales, and we're going to a small waterfall, and hopefully, if we get enough daylight still, we're going to go up to a lake, which we haven't been to before, but we've drove past plenty of times. So I'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, we've been lazy buggers this morning. We got up a bit late, I must admit. So basically, we might start getting crap light, running out of daylight. And I'm trying to avoid going through all of this at the minute. Doesn't really show it on camera, but that's a stream. Wife's up there laughing at me. I've managed to avoid the first bit, but I haven't got waterproof boots like wife. This is going to be a job. Gonna have to go for it, I think. This is ridiculous. Oh, I'm gonna have wet feet by the end of this. I should buy some new boots, really. I know what it involves, and I just haven't bothered, have I? Oh. Not too far, and we should be at this waterfall, guys. I can hear it, and we did have a heck of a lot of rain yesterday, so I'm hoping it's going to look pretty good. So that's the original path down to here. But as you can see, that barrier, which is probably meant to be up, is blocking it off. Well, I'm thankful of the steps, but they are steep and seriously slippy. Well, we made it here, guys. What do you think? Pretty good, that. How are you finding the uphill?
I've got little legs.
There's a little head poking through.
Oh, I'm making my shot.
He's gone.
I know
He's still a lot fitter than we are. It's not going quite to plan, guys. There's supposed to be a bridge down there to cross, so that we could carry on up to the lake and do a bit of a circular, but I could see this bit was boarded off and a bit overgrown, so I just went to have a look, and as you can see, there's no longer a bridge. The rain's come, guys. Better make a quick stop to change coats. we've made a new plan, and hopefully we can get to the lake I was telling you about this way. Oh, this has been nothing but uphill, you know. You won't be able to hear it, but we can. You can hear all the electric humming. We're still plodding on. We can see the start of a forest now, so that'll be nice. Be a change of scenery. Perk our moods up, won't it? We're trying to get there, I tell you. I think we lost the track a bit, guys. Oh, there it is. There. What do you think? This is typical Welsh weather. You just got to learn to enjoy it, really, because it's all you get. We're not far from the lake now. I think we carry on this forestry track, and then we should have a nice view of it. So stick with us, and if you've managed to watch this far, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Probably hasn't been the best video, but I can't really help the location and the weather. But it is nice to get out and about. Oh, I haven't looked behind. Can you see behind me? It's a nice view, that. Well, we made it, guys. Everything was against us a little bit, but we got here. That's a big drop down there. Oh, you don't get much more of an autumn scene than that, though. Very autumnal. I don't know what the plan is now. I was going to go back that way, but it's the wrong side of the river, and as we just found out, all the bridges have been damaged. So we might have to go back the way we come, yeah? So, that's it for the dam, guys, and the lake. We're going to head back to the car now. Yeah, there's a bit of clear sky coming out over there, but I looked at the map and everything, and there isn't an easy route back. We have to cross the river, and all the bridges have collapsed, so we'd have to go quite a long way out of our way if we went back that way. So I think we'll save this one for another day and come and do a bit more around that area. Yeah, so we'll trudge on back through that woodland. We're back in the woodland, taking a slightly different route now, hopefully to avoid a little bit of the uphill. It's quite up and down on the way up to that lake. One thing I have found today, though, that all trails, there's lots of routes here that aren't on all trails, like the one we're on now. So I don't know if anybody else has that trouble with all trails, that there's routes that aren't marked, or this one's been quite bad, really. And they haven't really matched up either. But yeah, if anyone else has had that trouble with all trails, let us know in the comments. Oh, we're still going. Time is ticking on now. We just met 3 people. They're out for a bit of a walk. They're actually on holiday from Macclesfield. I don't suppose they'll watch this video, but if they do, hi. We just give them a hand because they got a little bit lost. Weren't sure what the best way back to the car was, so we just had a chat with them and give them a hand. They've shot off in front of us. Turns out this is the best way back for them, really, once we figured out where they parked. Nice chatting to them though. Well, we made it back to the car, guys. The sun's finally come out for us. You'd swear it was morning now, wouldn't you? But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I don't know when we'll be out next, probably next weekend. But that's probably it. So give us a like or a thumbs up if you could. Wife went like that. It's much appreciated. And yeah. If anything else happens, we'll be sure to put it in, but otherwise, thank you for watching.
Awesome. See ya! You guys,
Chips and flesh.
I got chips too. Hawks. Chips and curry sauce. Bella's speciality. Fish. He's taking my curry. And Baba's gonna have some tea after. Gonna have I don't think you can see him anyway. Anyway, enjoy the view, guys.